Is this how everyone cuts a pineapple? Maybe, but I know there are people out there who may not know how to cut a pineapple, maybe never have seen it done, and so this is for those of you who find it useful. First, I will cut the top and the bottom off. And then you set it on either the top or the bottom, just one of the flat sides. And then I carve around the edges. And I carve down so I don't have any of these brown little pores. And you kind of have to carve your blade at the top and the bottom, just to be efficient. And then I'll just go around and cut off any of the big brown, they're not spots, it's just part of the outside, but I don't like eating it. Now, you may think I need to cut off more, but this is just where I'm going with. And then I am someone who leaves my core in, but I will show you how you can easily cut it out. But lay it down like a log and let's cut it in half. So you're gonna cut right through the middle. And again, lay it down on a flat side. And then I cut it in half again. And then cut the halves in half towards the center. So it's kind of a funky angle. But for me, at this point, I just go from my 4 cuts and then I cut them into little triangles. And it's a really nice bite size, or it would be good for fruit skewers perhaps. But if you really don't want to eat the core, you can take one of your quarters and you see you just have your core right here and it's really woody and some people don't like to eat that. You can easily just slice that off and then you don't have any more chewy core. I keep it on, like I said, I don't mind too much. Get yourself a container to store it all in. And again, I'll show you one more time just so you have it. Once down the center of your half, and then cut those in half towards the core. It would be easier for you to flip it around. It's easier to cut this way. But then, again, if you want to remove the core, take one of your slices and just cut that middle woody part. I don't think I have much of a woody part on this one, a little bit. Just slice that right off. You'll feel it. You'll feel the difference in the density of it with your knife. And then cut into little triangles. So I know you can buy special pineapple cutting devices that have a core in them and then it's like a corkscrew, and that's fine and dandy, but I prefer to have fewer kitchen utensils. And so while that's fun, I don't mind going the old-fashioned way. So, is this how everyone cuts a pineapple? Maybe, but I know there are people out there who may not know how to cut a pineapple, maybe never have seen it done, and so this is for those of you who find it useful. And if you found it useful, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more helpful and delicious content, and if you need help cutting any other fruit, go ahead, click here on this playlist here, and I'll see you guys there.